Hey, Disruptors. I just wanted to pop on here really quickly to share how incredibly excited I am about the Clear Vision Workshop happening on Tuesday, August 27th at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern. I've been diving deep into the details, and let me tell you, this is going to be a game changer. For those of you who feel stuck or uncertain about your business, we're going to tackle those big questions like, what's my next step? How do I grow my revenue? And how do I finally get to the financial freedom I've been dreaming of? This workshop is all about giving you the roadmap to get there. I'm putting the finishing touches on some really powerful tools and strategies that I can't wait to share with you. So get ready, because we're going to transform how you think about your business and your future. And here's the best part. Registration is now open. Make sure you secure your spot today, Tuesday, August 27th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. You won't want to miss this opportunity to finally gain the clarity and strategy you need to take your business to the next level. Keep an eye out for more behind the scenes, sneak peeks, and don't forget to click the link to register. I'm so excited to see you there.